Okay, good morning class. Yesterday we start our lesson 2. Our senses we see with our eyes. So you know what we see? We watch TV, cartoons, a boy playing with blocks, a boy is playing with ball, a boy is flying a kite, a girl is playing with a puppy, and children are reading a book. So we learned this yesterday. So we see with our eyes. These things we see with our eyes. So our eyes help us to see. Second, we learn ears. About ears, what it is? A girl is talking on the phone, a bird is chirping, children listening the music, these two are talking, a boy is playing a trumpet, and this little boy likes this voice of trumpet, but this man doesn't like the voice of trumpet. So our ears help us to hear. Our ears help us to hear. So now we will learn third sense organ. Now today we will learn page 7. Okay. So we smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. That means our nose help us to smell. So look at these picture. First picture, a man is smelling milk. These two are smelling a garbage. So look at how they are making face. They are closing their eyes because garbage smell is not good. And this man is smelling a perfume. So he likes the smell of perfume. Even I think you like the smell of perfume. I like the smell of perfume. Okay. And this boy is smelling a flower. Even you like the flowers, especially rose. And now here this man is carrying a garbage bins, dustbins. Okay, and dustbin smells bad. So look at this girl when she smell of these garbage boxes, bins. So she is closing her nose. That means the smell of these bins are not good. Bad smell. Okay. A man is smelling a milk. These two children are smelling a garbage. He is smelling a perfume. He is smelling a flower, dustbins और गार्बेज बिन्स. ओके, ये जो आदमी है मिल्क की स्मेल आ रही है, सुगंध. ओके, गुड. दिस ये अपने कूड़ेदान की, तो बैड स्मेल. परफ्यूम जो हम सुगंध लगाते हैं, इत्र लगाते हैं, खुशबू लगाते हैं, उसकी अच्छी है. जब हम फूल की करते स्मेल तो भी अच्छी है. From here till here. I forgot to move this. And this dustbins, no, bad smell. So that's why इसीलिए ये लड़की अपनी नोज़ बंद करे, क्योंकि इसके स्मेल, उसका भी फेस देखिए कितना अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है, क्योंकि इन दोनों बिन में से गंदी स्मेल आ रही है, अच्छी खुशबू नहीं आ रही है. ओके, सो वी स्मेल विथ आवर नोज़. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट. So smell is the power detecting a fragrance. or an odor we can smell with the help of our nose. The sense of smell is connected to the sense of taste. So taste we will learn in next, okay, means next sense organ. So again, smell is the power of detecting a fragrance or an odor we can smell with the help of our nose. The sense of smell is connected to the sense of taste. So now we will learn about taste, okay. Now first we learn about eyes. Eyes help us to see. Second we learn ears. Ear help us to hear. Third we learn nose. Nose helps to smell. And now we are learning about tongue. We taste with our tongue, okay. So that means our tongue help us to taste, okay. This boy is eating an ice cream, so he likes it. Ice cream's taste is sweet. Aha, this is sweet. And this he is tasting, I think, lemon. So oof, this is sour. So I think he doesn't like sour as much as sweet. So he is making a little bit funny face, okay. Next we learn this one. Oh, this is salty, okay. Salty is good taste, but I think it's not, you don't like sweets you like more. मीठा आप ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं, खट्टा थोड़ा कभी कभी अच्छा लगता है, एंड सॉल्टी कम सॉल्ट वाला अच्छा लगता है ना, ज़्यादा सॉल्ट का नहीं. सो दिस गर्ल इज़ टेस्टिंग. Oh, this is salty, means she like it. Look at her face. And this man, oh boy, sorry. Ouch, this is bitter. So I think nobody likes the bitter. Bitter means like medicine, Karela, bitter gourd, okay. So sweet means meetha, sour means khatta, salty means namkeen, and bitter means kadwa, like medicines, neem. And now look at this: sweet, chini, toffee, salty, salt, and some mixture, curry, vegetables. And this one is sour. Sour is lemon, और lemon है और इमली है. And bitter क्या है? करेला, bitter gourd, or you can think about it medicine, because you don't like to eat medicine because it is bitter, okay. Look again: sweet, ice cream; sour, lemon; salty, something, maybe cookies, salty cookies; bitter, kadwa, karela. And there is things: sweet, meetha, salty, namkeen, sour, khatta, bitter, kadwa. Okay, now we learn about four. Which one? Four sense organ. First sense organ is our eyes help us to see. Second, our ears help us to hear. Third, nose help us to smell. And fourth, we learn tongue help us to taste. Okay, now about tongue. Food tastes less tasty if the nose is blocked. इसका मतलब क्या है? जब हमारी नोज़ ब्लॉक्ड होती है, जब हमें कोल्ड होता है, तो क्या होता है कि हम जो टेस्ट है वो टेस्ट हमें प्रॉपर नहीं आता है, अच्छे से टेस्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे नोज़ एंड टंग कनेक्ट्स. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई. इसलिए हम जब कोई भी चीज़ खाते हैं, जब हमें कोल्ड होता है तो टेस्ट सही से नहीं दिखता है. द टेस्ट बर्ड ऑफ द टंग हेल्प अस टू इंजॉय द डिफरेंट फ्लेवर ऑफ फूड. और हमारे जो जीभ में है 4 टेस्ट के बर्ड्स हैं. बर्ड्स मीन्स लेयर्स हैं. सो फर्स्ट स्वीट, फर्स्ट लेयर. सेकेंड लेयर सॉल्टी. थर्ड लेयर आई थिंक सार. एंड फोर्थ लेयर इज़ बिटर. सो इस जब भी हम जो स्वीट करते हैं जल्दी से टेस्ट आता है और जल्दी से गायब हो जाता है. सॉल्टी थोड़ा रहता है और सार थोड़ा और ज़्यादा रहता है, लेकिन बिटर बहुत देर में हमारे मुंह से निकलता है. वो जब हम ले लेते हैं तो इसलिए हम पसंद नहीं करते हैं बिटर को. ठीक है, सो देयर इज़ कनेक्शन. Now students, open your copy, classwork, you know which of LKG GK copy. Okay, open and write it. First write lesson 2, DAT date, classwork, question number 1. So again today we will write 2 questions. Okay, question number 1, fill, 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 IN, in, THE, the, MISSING, missing, LETTERS, letters. First S blank फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ रेड लाइन है, उसके नीचे आपको ब्लैंक लगाना है, खाली जगह. E कैपिटल S, कैपिटल E. ओके, सेकेंड H blank R, H blank R, 2 blanks. Third SM blank LL. Third SM blank LL. Fourth T blank S blank E. T blank S blank E. Fifth F blank F blank L. F blank L. Sixth, oh sorry, E blank E. E blank E. 7th, E blank R. E blank R. 8th, N blank S blank. N blank S blank. 9th, S blank I N. S blank I N. S blank I N. And 10th, T blank N G U blank. T blank N G U blank. Now complete it slowly, neat and clean, and press your pencil. Dark pencil, use dark pencil, okay? Look at it. You can pause it and take a screenshot. Okay. Now student, how we complete this? Fill in the missing letter. So S blank E. So S double E C. Okay. Second, H blank blank R. So second, H all capital letter. H E A R. Air. Ear. Here, sorry. Third, S M E double L. Smell. S M E double L. Smell. Now fourth, T blank S blank E. So T A, press your pencil, okay? T A S T E. Taste, all capital letter. Look at them properly. Okay, no small letter. Capital. Fifth, here. Fifth, F double E. Feel. I think you can't look at them properly, no? So once again with the pen, S double E C H E A R here, S M E double L. Smell. T A S T E. Taste. Fifth, F double E L. Feel. So now I think you can look at it properly, okay? Before pencil is not very bright, dark, है ना? दिख रहा है ना अब आपको? Next, E Y E I. E Y E I. Seventh, 7 दिख रहा है? ये E A R. Ear. E A R. Ear. Eighth, N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Ninth. S-K. Now look at the capital K, from top line till middle case, middle to middle, K. Okay, capital K. S-K-I-N, skin. S-K-I-N, skin. Now next, then T blank N G U blank. So T O N G U E, tongue. T O N G U E, tongue. Now complete in your copy, okay, in classwork copy. And one more classwork, so turn the page, new page. Now students, now open your page number, new page, sorry. So now write lesson 2, date, classwork, question number 2. Match the following. Match the following, we will write number matching, not like this, okay, not with the lines, number matching. Now I will teach you how to do the number matching. So first write question number 2, M-A-T-C-H, match the following. First, M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E, medicine. And you have to fold this page for second part. Fold this page like this, press it, and then again like this, okay. And second part you have to write after this line. Look at this line, you will see in your copy. So after this line you have to leave little space and then write salty, S-A-L-T-Y, salty. Don't use pen, you have to use dark pencil, okay. Press your pencil so it will be dark, and write alphabet properly using uppercase, middle case and lower case, okay. This is lower case, uppercase, middle case and lower case. S-A-L-T-Y, salty. Second, L-E-M-O-N, lemon. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. B-I-T-T-E-R, bitter. B-I-T-T-E-R, bitter. Now third, C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E, chocolate. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E, chocolate. S-O-U-R, sour. S-O-U-R, sour. Fourth, S-A-L-T, salt. S-A-L-T, salt. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. So we have to match this. So how we will match? We will check this one. Medicine. Medicine is salty? No. Medicine is bitter? Yes. So we will write number 1 front of bitter. So that means 1 is matching with the bitter. Okay. Second, lemon. Lemon is salty? No. Bitter already we use. So lemon is sour? Yes. So number 2 matching with sour. So we will write 2. Third, chocolate. Chocolate is salty? Salty means नमकीन. नमकीन है chocolate? नहीं. फिर ये this one is complete, this one is complete. So chocolate is sweet. मीठी है chocolate? Yes. So number 3 we will write here. Number 3. And salt. Salt is salty. One is left. So salt is salty. Number 4. So look at it. Medicine, bitter. Medicine कैसी? कड़वी है. Lemon, sour, 2. Chocolate, sweet, 3. Salt, salty, 4. So you have to match like this, neat and clean, not with the line. Okay. Now open your homework copy. Let's start writing homework. Okay. In homework copy. Okay, now you open your homework copy. So write in first page. Okay, now lesson 2, date, homework, question number 1, fill in the missing letters. Okay, these are letters, we have to fill the letters. First, S blank, fourth line. 1 2 3 fourth red line पर आप blank बनाएंगे. Okay, draw a line on fourth line. S blank E. Second, H blank blank R. First, S blank E. Second, H blank blank R. Third, S M blank L L. S M blank L L. S M blank L L. Fourth, T blank S blank E. T blank S blank E. Fifth, you can see properly, yes. F blank blank L. S F blank blank L. Sixth, E blank E. E blank E. E blank E. Seventh, E blank R. E blank R. Eighth, N blank S blank. N blank S blank. Ninth, S blank I N. S blank I N. Tenth, T blank N G U blank. Tenth, T blank N G U blank. Now write neat and clean and press your pencil and turn the page for question 2 of homework. Now students, write question number 2, lesson 2, date, homework. Question number 2 you already wrote in your classwork, so look from there. Okay, so question number 2, match the following. First, medicine, salty. Second, lemon, sweet. Third, chocolate, sour. Fourth, salt, bitter. And how you have to match? Not with the lines, you have to match with the number matching. Okay, Now go to the washroom and wash your hands and ready for next period. Okay.